Every single day, your body faces a brutal biological choice. It can either build new tissue, or it can clean up the garbage. It cannot do both at the same time. This life or death decision is controlled by a master molecular switch located inside every cell in your body, known as mTOR. Think of mTOR as the master builder of your cellular factory. When it is turned on, it screams growth, muscle building, and nutrient storage. But when it stays on permanently, it accelerates aging. To understand how this impacts your lifespan, we need to look at what happens when you flip the switch the other way. When mTOR goes to sleep, a miraculous process called autophagy takes over. Autophagy is your cell's internal recycling program. It translates literally to self-eating. Your body hunts down damaged proteins, dysfunctional mitochondria, and rogue cellular debris, and breaks them down for spare parts. Without this critical cleaning phase, cellular junk piles up. This accumulation leads to chronic inflammation, metabolic dysfunction, and the visible signs of aging we all try to avoid. For decades, modern diets have kept our mTOR switch permanently flipped to the on position. We eat from the moment we wake up until right before we go to sleep, denying our cells any time to clean house. If growth is always active, repair is entirely neglected. To reverse this, we have to learn how to cycle our biology between building and cleaning. Let us look at the data on how different fasting windows impact this cellular cleaning process over a 24-hour period. As you can see, autophagy starts climbing slowly around 12 hours of fasting, but the real exponential spike happens past the 24-hour mark. This is when mTOR is fully suppressed. However, fasting forever is neither practical nor healthy. We need muscle mass, bone density, and structural integrity. That is why the secret lies in strategic cycling, not permanent deprivation. How do we know if our protocols are actually working at a molecular level? Guessing is no longer enough when it comes to slowing down the aging process. This is where the TruDiagnostic test becomes the definitive solution. The TruDiagnostic test measures your biological age and tracks the precise rate of aging using the advanced Dunedin pace algorithm. By testing before and after implementing a protein cycling and fasting protocol, you can see concrete proof of whether your biological clock is slowing down or speeding up. Let us break down a practical protocol you can use starting tomorrow. First, practice time-restricted feeding by keeping your daily eating window to 8 hours, allowing 16 hours of fasting for mild mTOR suppression. Second, cycle your protein intake. On certain days, moderate your total amino acid intake to keep growth signals low, while on other days, consume adequate protein to stimulate muscle synthesis. Here is a look at how this protein and fasting cycle impacts overall cellular renewal across a standard 7-day week. By mastering the balance between growth and repair, you take direct control of your biological destiny. Stop letting your cells run on autopilot and start utilizing the power of the mTOR switch. If you want to discover how circadian rhythms control your cellular repair mechanisms, click on the video appearing on your screen right now.